Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video. This is my 15-month lock update slash no retwist journey update because I'm not retwisting my hair. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing the pictures of me no retwisting or whatever. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. Okay, so let's get into this 15-month lock update, guys. Like, okay, so the only change that I'm noticing with my locks is that they're just still growing. Like, I feel like I'm at a period where my locks are just doing that, you know, growing thing. They're just, I mean, that's it. Like, I know I say this all the time, but like, it's the truth. Like, I'm really not noticing anything except that my locks are starting to kind of compact really tight and just shoot out. As you can see, like, they're just growing like super long. Like that's a lot of inches there. I'm just saying. So they're coming on down to collarbone length, and I'm still loving this journey. Like, okay, like I absolutely love my locks. Like, oh my gosh. So with the whole no retwist journey that I'm on, I'm noticing that my locks are more stiff because my roots are kind of just sitting there, so it doesn't allow much movement like with my locks, because normally my locks shake a lot, which they still do, but just not as much as they do when I have a retwist. So they're a bit more stiff. I have to spray my hair with water before I style, like as you should do anyway, but I don't really have a problem with it because I wear my hair pulled up in a ponytail or half up half down most of the time, so it really doesn't bother me that they're stiff because I'm not wearing them all down, which I want to wear them all down, but because my roots are so like just, it kind of looks funny on my head anyway. Like, a lot of people can pull off that look and it's like super gorgeous, but me, the way my head is shaped, it's like all my new growth is just piled at the top, and then I have the locks coming out, and I just don't wear my hair all down. I like to just wear it all up, lay my little baby hair down, you know, call it a day. So that's pretty much it on like the changes that I'm seeing in my hair. It's just the growth, and the new growth is crazy, and they're just stiff because I'm not retwisting. And as far as the products go, I'm gonna say this in every video. Y'all know how I do. Rose water, okay, water, natural oils. That's it. Like, I shampoo my hair every 2 weeks, oil it up real good, and in between washes, like I spray my hair, spritz it with rose water, and throw those natural oils in there and keep it moisturized, because you know we're up in the winter months, we're a little bit dry skin, dry hair, dry lips, dry all that good stuff. Okay, so I tend to find myself moisturizing a bit more than I would in the summer months with the humidity and stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, this video is just very short today. In my upcoming videos, I have videos styling the no retwist because a lot of people have asked for that video, and also I have a video on how I lay down my baby hair. I had a couple people ask me about that video as well. So guys, stay tuned because you're in for a treat on this channel. Alright guys, so yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. Like, 15 months locked, still loving this journey, still doing it, still rocking with it, you know what I'm saying, still going strong, building that family love within the lock community, you know what I'm saying. Like, it's great. I just want to thank you guys for all the support that you guys have shown me. Like, nothing goes unnoticed. I try my best to get to every comment, at least acknowledge it. But sometimes life happens, you know, I have a baby, I have another job, and my husband works, so we have to, you know, kind of limit social media sometimes. Social media can be so draining sometimes, where it's like it's impossible to like respond to everybody, and I kind of feel bad because like I'm not that person to just ignore people, you know, just because of a platform or whatever. Like, I really love interacting with people, and that's why I started this in the beginning. So hopefully I can go full-time with this. That's the goal, and when I'm full-time, it's over with, guys. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace.